We're continuing our discussion of the new features that allow you to position Popup Ajax windows. So I'm going to choose Popup here, and for other control ID I'm going to paste in this control ID over here, and then I'll describe how I found out that this is the appropriate control ID to use. So let's go ahead here and click OK, and then save it. And this time I'm going to run it not in working preview but actually in my browser. So here we go, and you can see now that when I press the button, the pop-up window displays always directly on top of the grid itself. So you can see there it's working correctly. So the way in which I found out that that was the appropriate control to use was I went into Firebug, and then I chose this control over here to examine the HTML. And if I go and click, for example, over there, I can see that the grid is contained in a table, and the table has an ID of grid1 dot grid underbar part dot data region. So this first part here, grid1, is the grid alias. That'll depend, each grid will have its own unique alias. So if we go back and look at the definition that we specified, instead of hard coding grid1 over there, we used the placeholder, which is grid.componentName, which will get replaced at runtime with the real alias that this control has. So so what you can see here is some powerful new options for positioning the Popup Ajax windows on the screen, and giving you absolute control over where these pop-up windows appear. Thanks very much.